Welcome to this session number 374. And today I will continue with this problem. I think that I don't remember. Yesterday I had no. It's okay, but the problem is with this. Just test. I had an error here, but I'm not sure why. Submissions here. Okay, got it. Okay, what is happening here? Here, I love leetcode. In this case, it's not appearing. This is my output, and this is. But why? Why? Here I am recalculating the hot sentence. Okay, it's appearing here because, yeah, basically, again, the idea with this problem is that when you execute the input and add a new character, basically you are building a prefix. Yeah, you have this prefix and you need check in the hot sentence which sentence of these three possible hot sentence have this prefix. Yeah, and when the user use this, basically is okay, take this suffix prefix and save this as a new word. Yeah, and basically reset the string builder and recalculate again the words. Yeah, for the reason here I am calculating again. Now what is happening here? Okay, this is done. I love you, I love leetcode, and here is I love you, I love leetcode, and it's necessary this because the prefix is this, and I with space A. Why is not I remove this. In hot sentence, what is happening? In the case that exists, return the frequency. In other case, basically is add +1. Here I am calculating map by frequency contains create a record and now here in times is the size is +1. Index right short what is happening here? Let me check. I love okay, add the I white space A and N, and now we have a new word that is I A with the white space. Now is again I white space A, and again now we have two, yeah. Now the next that is I, this white space A, yeah, basically appear 3 times, yeah. In this case, for the reason here appear in this moment save this and yeah, it's okay, I think. Let me check. We have the max. What is max? Max is the list of the this, the maximum frequencies. In here, for example, we have 3 frequencies. I don't know, 3, 2, 2, for example. And okay, I think that the first is get a frequency of 3. And we sort, if we have many, basically we sort these elements in results. What is results? Dot get list dot add what is list? Is this list that is the result, add the results dot get, and what is results? Is this dot get the first, and I need remove this. Yeah, because I think that here I have the duplicate, because for example, if we have for example, exactly, I love leetcode, this appeared 3 times in A appear, come on, appear 3 times. Both have the are in the map by frequency, basically appear in this way. 3, this is the key, and appear this, yeah. And when I get the frequency of 3, I get this, yeah. Well, do you imagine that this is another 3? The first 3 and appear the register. The first position basically is this, and okay, this is the position. This is the first hot sentence, but when go to the next, this basically map the frequency get, in this case is again 3, and return the same. I love leetcode, and yeah, and again take the first element like this. Yeah, I think that for this reason this didn't no, it doesn't appear here. I think I love you, I love leetcode, and this don't appear. I think that is for this. But map by frequency. I can remove even here integer n, remove result. Yeah, I am removing. No, it's okay. Here is okay. Why? What is I this in hashtag we have first. Uh, okay, here is I love your outline. Until this point, it's only the autocomplete system and basically initialize the object. Okay, and okay, until this point, basically it's only the initialize the autocomplete system and save the values, blah blah blah, whatever. Now the next that is the first A. How many? What is the hot sentence in this case? Well, we have only three. We have three sentences, means that this is the three elements, and basically all of them start with I. Yeah, for the reason appear these three. Now the next that is white space here. Only should be appear two. Yeah, I love you and I love leetcode. Outline no because don't have the white space. Now the next that is A. Uh, I love is not, Iceland is not, and I love leetcode is not. Do you see? For the reason appear white. And now the next that is safe. This is the safe, and now we have a new register that is I white space A. Okay, now the next is this I. In this case is I love you. I love I love you. Iceland and I A. Yeah. Okay. Now here. Yeah. Now the next that but this is wrong here. You know, let me paste here because no, 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 no. Is this? Okay, this is the input. And this is the result that this is my output, and this is the input that should be okay. Okay, now here basically is okay. We have these words. Yeah, we have this. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3. We have four words. We have four words. Now the next step is okay. You save, and basically here taking the rule is the all of them appear only one, but following the here, right in the top center should be sorted, not degree. The first is the posted one is aha. For example, if in this case, I think that it should be appear. I love you, Iceland, Iron Man, and I love you, Goat. I love you, Iceland, and I love leetcode. Yeah. I love you, Iceland, Iron Man, I love leetcode. It's in this order. Now, the next that is okay. You save and you have the most the hot sentence are this. Yeah, I love you, Iceland, and I love leetcode in this order. Okay. Now the next that is start creating the prefix. In this case, I. Sorry. This start with I, yeah. This start with I, yeah. This start with I, yeah. For this reason, appear this, yeah. The tree, and it's okay. We can remove it. Yeah, are the same. Okay. Now the next that is white space. Here. In this case, this start with this prefix and this two. Iceland disappear in this moment. Yeah, for the reason here appear I love you and I love leetcode. Okay, this both are equal. Okay. Now the next is the letter A. Yeah, A. Of this hot sentence, anyone start with the I white space A. Yeah, for this reason appear empty. Yeah. And now the next that is sorry, I forget to delete this. Now the next that is the symbol. That means that we need to save this prefix as a new word or as a new text and recalculate the hot sentence. Yeah. In this case, for example, is okay. We need to save. Now this appear here. Yeah, and this disappear because it's clear. I think that is clear. Let me check. Store the input sentence in the system. Return the top. But here is not clear if the where if the input, the prefix is clear. This is my dove. Let me check what happened if I don't reset the no, I think that is clear. I don't like this description. It's very verbose. It don't explain more details. Okay, now let me come back to here. Now this is safe, and I think that this should be start again. Okay, this and this. Yeah. Why I think that this prefix should be reset to empty, because basically here, for example, is I, and if I only add the I in the previous prefix, basically is this. In this moment, any one of these text share this same prefix. Yeah, for the reason I think that is clear. Yeah, here is clear and basically appear the A. Now here, let me check, because maybe it's my order. Here. No. Okay, I think that is this. For example, if we start with this, no, this. I remove this. Uh-huh. This is the order. I love you. I love you. I love leetcode. I love you and Iron Man. Let me check. I love you. I no. It's different. Sorry, stay numerically. No. Uh, yeah, I think that is my way to sort. Hmm, is this return the top of the hash should be sorted for degree. The first is the hostess one. If the several sentences have the same hot degree, use the ask code order. Mm, yeah, I think that is for this ask code order. Mm, mm, this ASCII code order. What it means that? Hello, Sionix. Morning. Well, I am here in Mexico. And here is morning. I am working in this problem. It's a hard problem, and it's a little tricky, because I think that this should be works for this, but I don't know. I have the impression that this is the part where my this is the reason why my result is different. Mm, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure, because in this case, this sort compare the words, and I expect that this compare two words in this way, but I'm not sure. I have my doubt here because I don't see another explain why my result is different. Well, in this case, it's because I modify it, but yeah, here for example, don't appear this and this because I think instead the true 5 is I love you, 3 is Iceland. Is that because here instead the this I have Iceland, yeah, and for this reason don't match with this. I this is my idea right now. It's morning for me too. Where are you from? You are from here in America? Yeah, sure. I remember. Oh, we are a little close. Compared, with the another people in Europe or Asia, we are close. I never been in Canada. I have the idea to visit the next year, but well, I hope. Um, mm, 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 mm. Why? Central Time, nice, nice, nice. I think that we are in the same time right now. I think that is my compare, but okay. Let me check here. When appear the second special character here. I run. Okay. Here is the first, and say the words and whatever. Even I can check the here. Uh-huh. And words. This is the second time where first and the second is where appear this error. Uh, Come on. This is only for check what is the words that contains at this moment. Mm, okay, I have to do this a segment design application to show how class inherit from parent class and implement an interface. One moment. In one moment, I explain you this topic. Okay, let me check. Okay, here. I love you, Iceland, and leetcode is the first time. Yeah, it's okay. Now the second time, I love you, Iceland, and I. Sorry for my English. It's not my first language. It's very hard to me. Uh, yeah, it's okay. Well, let me explain you very fast, very quickly about the. Sorry, this word is hard for me. Inherit, yeah. In Spanish is herencia, but well, in this case, for example, um, do you remember that you have a father class and children classes, right? For example, when you have a father class, means that this class contains functions or functional methods, whatever, properties, blah 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 blah. Yeah, and for example, if you have the class uh, vehicle, you write this. Aha. And this class, for example, contain the method or the function, whatever. I don't know. Run. Yeah, and this do something. Yeah. Basically, this is it's a normal class. Yeah, it's a normal class. But if you want to extend of this vehicle, for example, class it's like this motorbike. That extend, oh, it's in Java, extend that this. Basically, in this moment, the motorbike is a vehicle, but in this case, it's a special vehicle, because it's a motor vehicle. In this case, basically, the motor vehicle have the. If you extend of the another class, basically you have the access to the properties, function, methods, whatever. For example, in this case, motor vehicle have the option to run. Yeah, because extend of the vehicle, in this case vehicle is the father class and motorbike is the child class. Yeah, basically this is the idea with the when you extend of the classes. Yeah, and basically the interface is like the interface, many times the people and more the developers in general confuse the term of the interface. Means that the first is the people think that the interface is a UI. This is completely wrong. But another thing that the developers confuse the interface as a simple I don't know how to say that, but a simple structure of the class. For example, you have an interface is figure, yeah, and here you have a function that is not implementation, it's only the function. Area. Yeah, many people think that when you extend in a class yeah, you extend in this case of the this. Basically with this you are saying this is public, sorry. With this you are saying that this square have the option mandatory that need to override this function, yeah, and do something. The people think that is the only function to the interface, yeah, but this is completely wrong. This is one way, but basically the interface helps us to for example, let me explain you with an analogy. An interface is very similar like sorry, I don't know how to say this in Spanish, but this, yeah. When you have a TV and you try to connect in the light, in the energy, you have this. This is an interface. Why this is an interface? Because basically you can connect and disconnect any TV, radio, computer, whatever. Yeah, if share the same interface, you can connect and disconnect. Yeah, it's very clear. Basically, yeah, it's very easy in a simple words. But if you don't have an interface like this, basically you need take the cables, and join with the TV or with the computer every time, and unit change is very hard because you need, you know break this and connect again with another, but without using this. Yeah, but this is a one functionality of the interface. But for you in this case is basically this. Yeah, for example, you have your work, or your task basically is that you have a class parent. Let me come back to Vico. Yeah, and this use this. Yeah, class father class. Yeah, and in this case, sorry, is here in this interface. In this case, for example, is functions, and the function of this vehicle is turn on. Yeah, and this override this function. Yeah, should be override mandatory. Yeah, and basically this is the father class that extend of this. If you want to extend of the function similar like the father, basically you can use directly, or you can extend of the vehicle, and basically you have the here you can access, for example, private fun my own function. And here, for example, execute turn on. Yeah, this method was provided from father, and the father have this function from interface. Yeah, basically this is the idea behind this. You have the interface, you apply this interface in the father class. Yeah, and this father class need implement you. Yeah, you extend of the this father class in this. Yeah, in this case motor bike. This is child class. Yeah, this is the idea behind this. Okay, let me come back to my exercise. I will share with this. I hope that help you with this code. I have a few videos, but it's in Spanish, so sorry explain this. But this is the idea behind this. Oh, it's awful. The way that I can share image here, right? Let me separate. Yeah, or you can format here. Format Java online. Copy paste this code, and basically you can format again. Oh no. It's because have comment. But well, you have the idea with this, right? You can take a screenshot and take this idea. Now, what is happening with in my case? I love Iceland. I love Rico. I love you. But here is not appearing here. Why? I love you. I love leetcode. And why this is not appearing? Sorry, I need to remove this. And here the second times appear. Yeah, I think that is for this. In which way I can sort this? Uh-huh. Hot sentence. We have this max and list. We get the keys map by frequency. Basically, we are translating this. Now times. Yeah, here basically we are sorting by the frequency. Okay, in this case, map by text contains. No, this is still necessary because in this case, map by text have the key. I use this in here. Okay, no, it's necessary. With this, I have the map that said say appear 3 times, and the words is, I don't know, Iron Man and I love leetcode. Both appear 3 times. We have the times. Basically, this is for get the he sort. Basically, the last is the greater value and the first is the minor value. Now this should be minor to 3. Okay, maximum is 3. And now here is max. Get the frequency is here. I think that is here. The problem is here. In this case, sort this element. For example, if the tree contains 3 texts, is these texts are sorted. Yeah, and oh, I see. It's for this because oh my gosh. In this case, for example, the result are sort. Let me explain. Is for example, the map contains the map by frequency 3, and for example contains ABC and contains AABBCC, for example. Yeah, and I get this list here. Yeah, but do you see the order? A B C, A B B C C. Okay, this is the way that I get this. Next to I sort, and for example, imagine that the sort is, yeah, for example, in a positive way. Yeah, A B B C C is first, and A B C is second. Yeah. Now in this case, for example, I add this value here, and in the map I remove this in the results. No, it's okay. No, 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 it's okay. I was thinking that maybe I was removing an incorrect text, but no. I'm sure it's for this. Is this way to? Map by frequency, get add entry. I'm not sure if I have the way to sort this. If I add a new element, sort. But no, it's expensive because every time that I need to add a new element, it's sort, 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 and it's so expensive this. Map by text. I get the entry. I need to check if the map by frequency. Yeah, sure. Good luck. By frequency that put and trigger an array list, and I save this value. In this case, this mapping is okay, but the problem I think that is here. I create the array and I sort it, and next to I get the first three elements, or 2, 1, or even 0. It doesn't matter. I get here. Next to is I get the frequency. In this case, for example, like this. I sort it. And I list.add result in the index 0. Oh my gosh. Yeah, in this case, what is happening here? I love you, Iceland. Okay, until this, it's okay, but in this moment don't appear this. But you know what? Maybe it's because when I love Iceland. I love you because it's I and next to is I in space and is I love you now is I with space A that is nothing now is save this value and next to is okay start again I it's I love you Iceland and in this I think here no it's here sorry I love is first. This is basically I. How many words start with I is this. Now is I in space is only this. Next to is I space in A is empty. Now we save this A I white space A. We say we are saving and next to is I and return I love you Iceland. Yeah, in this case are okay. Now is I in space and is I love you. But why appear I white space A if it's not part of the yeah because in this case for example I love you Iceland I love you Iceland and I love leetcode are the three hot sentence yeah that is this when I use the white space it's I love you I love leetcode and don't appear this because it's not part of the hot sentence. Why for this reason don't appear? Do you see? I and is this. I love is this. I is empty. Save. And now we have I white space A. Now I and is I love you Iceland and I love leetcode. Now is white space. Why here should be appear I am if this is not part of the hot sentence. Let me check the return the should be certain category in several sentences how this on degree you place it here when you input a special character means that sentence end indicated by use of the return the empty right return the top three historical hot sentences that have same prefix on the return the top three historical hot sentence that have the same prefix as a part of okay maybe here is that okay if you don't for example in this case Iceland is not part of the no but don't make sense because for example in this case we have blah, 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 I for example I and it's I love you and I love you Iceland Iron Man. Here is I love you I and this is the frequencies and now is I and basically is I love you Iceland and I love leetcode. Now is white space I love you and I love leetcode. But for example if I change the next for a let me change this. Where here. I by the space like this, and this appear, for example, one time. What is the result that should we expect? Okay, I love you. I and only return I love you, Iceland, and I love the code. White space, and it's only I love you and I love lead code. Sorry, it's the case too. No, this is wrong. I like this, and this appear only one. In this case is I and return I love you, Iceland, and I love lead code. Okay, now is white space, and now is I love you, I love lead code, and here appear this. Yeah, it's for the reason, but in any moment this problem said that in this problem here is return the top three historical not hot sentence that have the same prefix, but the hot sentence is this. Okay, basically we need to sort. I really don't like this, but this basically we need to sort the old sentence, yeah, by the frequency first, and next to by the by the ASCII sort order. And for example, if don't appear the result, for example, if you have I love lead code, Iron Man, I love you, and I love something, but I love something only appear one time and the others appear 5, 4, and 3 times. The most or the hot sentence in this moment are the 3 hot sentence are the first 3. No, in this case it's not. The 3 hot sentence are I love you, I love lead code. Is ignore the Iron Man because it don't have the prefix, and the other is that they I love something. Yeah, for the reason. Okay, this problem is nothing clear. It's nothing clear, but well, I have right now the idea, but I think that I need to start with my work. But thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.